Welcome to another episode of Drawing with Oz. Let's draw a blow dryer. All right. Where else are you going to go where they're going to draw a blow dryer? Okay, here's the front of the blow dryer. It's going to go like so. Back to the motor. Back up. Okay. There's going to be a nozzle on the end. All right, over here, going to be like some vents so the motor can get air. Here's the handle. All right. Trigger. A couple of little screw thingies here holding the housing together. And you have to plug it in. And you have to use a cord to plug it in. Blow dryer. Okay, go dry your hair. Have fun coloring this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.